keep up and I laugh, but I try. You're floating up that big green hill, leading me into the sky. This curved track running soft through the grass.
Not that steep.
Wind in our faces, we glide and we slide.
I don't mind going down the road.
Oh, little chain,
Alright, go.
yeah, they hum alone. You're the spark in the ride. Vista View, we're rolling through the sunshine. You on that e-bike, pulling me along. Every turn feels like a good time, lifetime. Got my heart in your slipstream, strong. Oh, Vista View, got the whole day smiling. Trees sway sweet as we climb and die. If this is all we ever do, I'm fine. Just following your wheels through this life so lovely, so day. Yeah.
Hey. Sun on my face,
It's a bit of a workout.
wind in my sleep. Just me and my pops. We roll and we lead. Yeah. Kick, push past the gate, we slide. Vista View, hilltop, wide sky. He's on a bike, old school calm. I'm on the wheel like a ticking bomb. Zoom, grass cut sharp, that we can smell. Helmets crooked, we both laugh as hell. He said slow down, I say come on ride. Two kids again, just different sides. Cruising through Vista View, me and my dad. EUC hum and the bike go mad. Side by side, let the whole day last. If time got breaks, we ain't touching that. Cruising through Vista View, loop that track. Up one slope, then we glide right back. World so loud, but it fades to black when it's just this path and my dad laid back. Dogs on leashes in line. We weed that snake, feel clean inside. He tells stories about a busted ride. Flat tire, long walk, summer of 95. I cut a car by the water bend. He does a sprint just to race again. He lets me win, I pretend I'm fool, but I see his grin in the rear view. Cool, cruising through Vista View, me and my dad. You see hum and the bike go mad. Side by side, let the whole day last. If time got breaks, we ain't touching that. Cruising through Vista View, golden track. Sun go down, sky melt to black. World so fast, but we ease that back on this Sunday run with my dad. Lay back. Oh.
I can't keep up. My legs are on fire, bro. That's way harder for me. Hold on. I need to stretch a little bit. Woo! That's what do you think?
That was good. That was really good. I was banging.
I could not keep up. You saw the anthills that were there?
Yeah.
I would just drift over. Every time I hit it, I'm like drifting on one wheel. Oops, those. Wow.
Horses out by the far side fence. Yeah. Pairs turn
Nice
slow
battle,
as we
dude.
cruise on by.
Yeah, I'm going.
You point them out with that easy grin. Say, this is our little high. Sun on your shoulders, gold on brown. Shadow of your frame runs next to mine. Even when the path dips, falls, then climbs.
Okay.
Steep road tilted like a tower. You laugh, helmet slightly sideways. Your wheel humming by my ankle. This climb feels like
on. You alright? Damn, this is steep as fuck. What happened?
Sorry, I sit him down.
I only heard you. What happened? You just stopped?
No, you're good. I'm
So you just hit stopped and then you just got
Gravel then flies out from under me, crashing on the hill of heroes. Slow motion, crowd rushing in.
good? Hey, at least we tried.
Like a carousel, my hands reach up for your chin.
I was just stopped.
And hand?
Yep.
Nice.
Right here.
I heard you. I thought you were just going, ah, like the pedal. I looked back. I had it like this, so I think I caught it on video, but it's gonna be kind of far away. Damn.
Dust on your face. Final boss tried hard to beat us, but we stand.
Want me to ride up there?
No. Ready to go up? Take it through.
Y'all waiting for 2 people. Get your breath. Let's go ahead and
Ah, that's crazy.
What's that stick for though?
A camera.
Oh shit!
I'd make a YouTube video out of that one.
That's
Woo!
the sweetest spot.
That was crazy. I never did that.
No?
Nah. I knew it could, but dang. All right, now we go down. This slope's fucking me up.
Sun low, sky gold on the hilltop. We coast pretty slow, but the wheels hot. Tire tracks painting stories in the hard packed sand. One more climb, feel the tremor in my hands. One more boost, and we're flying through the trails, through the trees, just gliding. Vista View with that last light shining. Roll it out, yeah, we made it to the end. Hey, one more push, then we're smiling. Let the day fade slow, we're dialing. Every turn, every burn, all aligning. Roll it out, let the credits start to spin. Lean in, hear the gravel say go. Wind sings in the space between fast and slow. Side by side, trading laughs on the narrow bend. Chest on fire, but the heart wants one more sin. One more boost, then we're flying through the trails, through the trees, just gliding. Vista View with the last light shining. Roll it out, yeah, we made it to the end. Hey, one more push, then we're smiling. Let the day fade slow, we're dialing. Every turn, every burn, all aligning. Roll it out, let the credits start to spin. Hey! Shadows stretch long, but the feeling stays strong. Let the skyline fade, we're still wide awake. Every bump, every scar got us right where we are on this last sweet lap. We just ride it back. One more boost, then we're flying through the trails, through the trees, just gliding. Vista View with the last light shining.